All right, this is just a quick video on a new knife I just got, and this is the CRKT LCK. And this is a collaboration between Ruger and CRKT, and it's a neat little knife. It's what I call a gentleman's folding knife. I like really small knives, very similar to this Almar style knife, and or about the same size as a other slim knives that I had, like the Benchmade Osborne 940, etc. And really quick, this is a knife I saw on Birdshot 4, and so if you're looking for a really good review, go over to their channel, because they are much more detailed than I. But that's what made me purchase this knife. It's a knife that's under $25, and what's cool is it's a flipper, and that is not spring assisted, but it really pops out very nicely, and you can see it has what's called a Sheepsfoot blade. And I like that it's all black, and you can see the texture right on there, and it's a reinforced nylon handle, and it's a liner lock, very easy to operate. And it also, I like that it has a very small pocket clip, so it's it's not something that's going to be sticking out or making a big print in your pocket. And the fact that it's all black, it also won't be picked up by law enforcement if you're in New York or someplace like that. So really nice knife, sharp as anything. I don't have anything to cut it with, but really nice. A sharp knife for under 25 bucks. You really can't go wrong. I got this on Amazon, so I'll leave a link in the description if you want one. And I can't say enough good things about it. Very light, probably less than 4 ounces. Has the back spacer bar right there, and really the jipping on the handle really comfortable. And you could get a nice purchase on it, and you can use this for anything from self-defense to opening boxes of other knives. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Take care.